Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pudding pops. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 box of instant pudding mix, your favorite flavor, and 2 cups of cold milk. Also, have your popsicle molds and sticks ready. This quick guide will help you create a delightful frozen treat in just a few easy steps, perfect for any time you crave something sweet and cool. Now, let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your instant pudding mix with 2 cups of cold milk. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously for about 2 minutes. You'll notice the mixture starting to thicken nicely. Once it's smooth and creamy, carefully pour the pudding into each of your prepared popsicle molds, filling them almost to the top. This ensures a full, satisfying pop. With your molds filled, it's time for the freezing process. Gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Make sure the sticks are straight so your pops are easy to hold. Now, place the filled molds into your freezer. They will need at least 4 hours to set completely, but for the best, firmest results, I recommend letting them freeze overnight. Patience is key here. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. To easily remove your pudding pops, briefly run warm water over the outside of each mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, gently pull the stick, and your perfectly frozen pudding pop should slide right out. Serve these delightful treats immediately for a refreshing snack. You can store any extra pops in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.